Hi, sir. Today's social activity ZPHS Kella Andhra Pradesh districts boundaries. Priya, what are the boundaries of Andhra Pradesh?
East Bay of Bengal, South Tamil Nadu, West Karnataka, North Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Odisha.
Okay. Next. Jnana, how many districts in Andhra Pradesh?
There are 26 districts in Andhra Pradesh.
Okay, very good. Next, Dikshita, how many coastal districts are there?
There are 12 coastal districts in Andhra Pradesh. Srikakulam, Visayanagaram, Visakhapatnam, Anakapalli, Kakinada, Kolasima, Godavari, Krishna, Babadla, Prakasham, Sri Potti Sriramu, SPSR Nellore, Tirupati.
Very good. Next, Priya, how many Rayalaseema districts are there?